Okay, so review ulit tayo para sa Math Majorship ng Licensure Examination for Teachers. Number 14 na tayo. So sana napanood nyo na simula number 1. So probability ang question number 14 natin. What is the probability of getting a king or queen when you draw a card from a standard deck of cards? So ang choices, 2 over 13, 5 over 17, 7 over 23, and 9 over 21. Okay, so sagutan na natin. So, paano ba ang formula kapag ganitong merong or? So, what is the probability of getting a king or queen? So, a king or queen. So, kapag may or, paano yung formula natin? So, a king or queen daw. So, in general formula muna tayo. So, probability of A or B. So, ang formula para dyan ay probability of A plus probability of B minus kapag may common sa kanila, probability of A and B. Okay? So, sa problem natin, ang hinahanap natin, probability of king or queen. So, palitan lang natin. So, probability of yung first letter, king or queen. So, kunin lang natin, probability of king plus probability of queen minus, meron bang may intersection ba yung king and then queen at the same time? Meron ba ito? So, wala ito. So, 0 lang ito. So, ano ba yung probability ng king na king ang makuha natin sa standard deck? Ayan, standard deck of cards. So, yung standard deck of cards, di ba, tigta 13 yun. 13 na diamond, 13 na hearts, 13 na spade, and then 13 na club. Okay? So therefore, ang total ay 52. And then, tigi-ilan lahat yan? So tigta 13 nga siya. So therefore, ang probability ng king, or ilan yung king, no? So tigi-tigi isa. May 4 tayo na king. So 4 over 52. So ang total ay 52. And then yung queen, meron tayong 4 din na queen over, total natin 52 pa rin, minus, meron bang king at queen at the same time? So wala. So 0 over 52. So wala na ito. Kasi ano to mutually exclusive. Wala silang intersection. So pag walang intersection, bali wala na itong part na ito kapag walang itong A at B ay mutually exclusive. Ibig sabihin wala silang intersection. Hindi pwedeng mangyari na sabay. Yung king at queen na at the same time, wala yon. So therefore, ito na yung magiging sagot natin. I-add na lang natin. Or pwede i-lowest term muna natin. 4 over 52, so i-divide natin pare sa 4. That is 1 over 13. And then ito, syempre 1 over 13 din. And then i-add lang natin. So that is equal to 2 over 13 since same denominator tayo. So therefore, the correct answer is letter A, 2 over 13. Okay, so that's it. So ganun lang kasimple. So thank you for watching. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. So good luck sa lahat na nagre-review para sa board exam. Kung may math question po kayo, i-comment nyo lang sa aking channel or i-PM nyo ako sa aking messenger na RJ Enseñado. So bye-bye and God bless.